Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. In today's video, we are going to cover a couple of different topics. But first, we're going to talk about KuCoin, the recent pump. Am I taking profits? Am I buying more? What am I doing with KuCoin? Also, we are going to touch upon the Coinbase IPO. Will I be buying some? Where you can buy it and all of that important information. Also, we're going to talk about staking and we're going to talk about Hydra. And at the end of the video, we are going to go on CoinMarketCap. We're going to scroll down and we are going to talk about some different coins. But before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below if you want to help the channel out. And now let's jump right into the video. As you guys know, over the last couple of days, KuCoin has been pumping like literally every single day. And if you have been following my YouTube channel, you would know that I'm a big fan of the KuCoin exchange, their entire platform, all of their features. Pretty much, I'm like a KuCoin fanboy. So a while ago, I invested $10,000 into KuCoin. I think it was around $3 at the time. And a lot of people were like, yo, KuCoin is not going anywhere. They're going to be flat. Nobody's using the KuCoin exchange. None of this stuff. But I have done my research on KuCoin, so I decided to invest in it. And oh man, did that investment pay off. Now let's switch on over to the chart so you can see exactly where KuCoin is at right now. As you can see right now, KuCoin is trading at $11.30. Its high for today was $12.75, which is absolutely awesome. We're going to scroll down so we can look at the chart. When we look at the 3-month chart, you will see that back in January, it was trading between $1.19, $1.09, $1.11, and right now it is over $11. So pretty much in the last couple of months, KuCoin has done a 10x. So right here's when I bought some KuCoin around $3. And then initially it started pumping, it went up to like $5, $6, and then in March it pulled back. That is when pretty much all the altcoins were pulling back. And for the entire month of March, it was completely flat. And a lot of people on my channel got impatient. They were like, KuCoin is not moving. I'm selling. I'm jumping over into another coin. I'm doing this. I'm doing that. But me, I was holding my KuCoin. I was getting the free daily KuCoin bonus, which added up to my bag even more. And then over the last couple of weeks, KuCoin started pumping. When we take a look at the 1-month chart, you will see starting on April, the volume started picking up, the price started pumping, and right now we are still going higher and higher. Even as I record this video, we went from $11.30 to $11.44. So now you're probably wondering, am I buying more KuCoin? Am I taking profits? As of right now, being completely honest, I am taking profits on KuCoin. I'm definitely not selling my entire position. If KuCoin goes up 10% on the day, I'm taking 1% out from KuCoin. That is what I have been doing over the last couple of days, is literally taking 1% out every single day. That way I get my initial $10,000 out, and then the rest will be pure profits, and then I can let it ride and maybe take even bigger profits towards the end of this bull run. All-time high in 2018 was over $20. Also, if you want to buy some KuCoin, link will be in the description box below. And now let's talk about the Coinbase IPO. We all know Coinbase is going to be one of the biggest IPOs this year. But a lot of people that are invested in crypto, they're not a big fan of the stock market. But personally, I love real estate, I love the stock market, and I love crypto. They all provide awesome opportunities to make good money. So personally, I will definitely be following the Coinbase IPO. As of this moment, I am still 50-50 on if I will be participating in the IPO sale. I know a lot of times when a company IPOs, initially it pumps a lot, but then a day or two later, it pretty much dumps. So as of right now, I still haven't decided. I do have some money sitting on the sidelines in case I do decide to participate in this IPO. And as a lot of you guys know, Coinbase did release their earnings and they were pretty much through the roof. Also, their initial offering was going to be around $195 per share, and now it is estimated to be at $440 per share. If you look at their user base, they have more users than Robinhood, they have more users than Cash App, and a ton of other platforms. Also, they have a ton of potential for the future. Like, they're literally the biggest dog in the yard when it comes to cryptocurrency in the United States market. And personally, I think crypto is going to continue to grow and expand even further. Also, if you have decided to invest in the Coinbase IPO, you can use any of the major stockbrokers like Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, or if you want to use Webull, get your 2 free stocks. Link will be in the description box as well. That is personally who I would go with if I decide to purchase this IPO. And now let's switch over and talk about staking. As you guys know, in my previous video, I bought 7 new altcoins and I bought them all on the KuCoin exchange. But one of them, Hydra, caught my attention simply because it has humongous staking returns. As I make this video, you can stake Hydra at 185% APY, which is absolutely amazing. So the first thing that I did was started staking my Hydra. As of today, I am staking 28 Hydra, and every single day I am earning 0.14. My plan is to keep this staked as long as possible and get as much free Hydra as I possibly can. Also, with 185% APY, it is a no-brainer. It is a no-brainer whatsoever, so I'm definitely staking Hydra. Also, some of the other coins that I bought as well, you can lend them out on the KuCoin exchange. For example, BTT, right now I'm lending it and it is earning me even more free BTT coins. This way you're making money 2 ways, lending your coins and getting free BTT coins on top of your coins. And when the price of BTT rises, you're making even more money. But now, before we switch on over to CoinMarketCap, I want to apologize quickly. I did not upload a video for like 4 days now. I know I normally upload every single day, but I was doing a ton of work at one of my rental properties. My brother convinced me to cut this tree down. We ended up cutting it. It ended up falling on the shed. We had to repair the shed. It was a big mess, but I will definitely be not cutting any more trees down. I will pay a professional, have them do it correctly, so I do not damage any more stuff. But now let's switch on over to CoinMarketCap so we can look at some coins. Let's go. All right, now we are on CoinMarketCap. And as you can see, Bitcoin is at 56,500. It did have a small pullback today, but I believe tomorrow it's going to bounce back and it's going to stay in that range. And I think the alts are going to continue to run. Ethereum still over 2,000, very bullish on Ethereum. Let's scroll down. XRP had an awesome week, up over 67%. It was over $1 yesterday. A lot of news coming around XRP. Personally, I do not own any XRP whatsoever. Cardano also down 5% on the day. Alright, Polkadot also down 5%. Uniswap down 6%. When we scroll down, a lot of the coins are either up 5-6% or down 6%. Also, VeChain is up over 20% on the week. Let's scroll down some more. BTT, the coin that I bought last week, today down 16%. But over the 7 days, it is up 56%. Crypto.com, another coin that I'm holding, down today and on the week. But I'm still holding to my CRO. Let's scroll down. The one that catches my eye right now is Celsius. Look at their chart. It looks pretty sweet. So far today, they're up over 13%, 54% on the week. Personally, guys, I think a lot of the exchange coins are going to perform well, especially as we get closer to the Coinbase IPO. I think that's why Celsius, KuCoin are pumping. It's simply because people are realizing the power of these exchanges. Who knows? Binance might go public. KuCoin exchange might go public. You never know. I'm not saying it's going to happen. Also, in my opinion, I think the exchange coins are going to benefit tremendously from the Coinbase IPO. We're not far away from the IPO. I think just over a week. And I think the exchange coins are going to continue pump all the way until the IPO. And in my opinion, it will definitely be a good time to start taking some profits, especially if you believe that the Coinbase IPO is going to flop. If it flops like on day 1 or day 2, I believe a lot of coins are going to have major pullbacks. But If the Coinbase IPO goes public and it starts pumping tremendously, then I think the exchange coins are going to have a massive run. That is just my personal opinion, so do not take it as financial advice. Alright everybody, that concludes this video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below, and if you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video. Peace out.